Hello, I hope you're doing well. In this video I am going to explain how to install WordPress on the cpanel of your new host, in this case Namecheap host. You have to enter to the cpanel and here you have to click on here. Now you have to click on install. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on your domain. Go down. Type an username, password and email. You can use the username, password and email that you already have in the WordPress that you are migrating. You have to go down and click on install, and this will be the link that you will have to use to enter to the settings of your WordPress site. You have to click on here. To see the changes, you have to delete the cache. You have to click on here, then you have to click on here. Go down, you have to click on here, click on here, click on here, click on here. Now you have to go back to your website and you have to click on refresh. Click on enter, and now you can see that WordPress is already installed. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. In the next video, I am going to explain how to install all-in-one WordPress migration plugin and increase the upload size. Remember to subscribe to not miss my next video. Here there is another video that might like you. I hope you have an excellent day. Bye.